welcome. I'm Tatiana, and in today's video I wanted to share with you what comes in ABEKA's Parent Essentials Kit, and if you want to see that, stay tuned. So first is the Arithmetic Work Textbook. This book is identical to the student's book, and it just has the answers. So, looks like this. Arithmetic Tests and Speed Drill Key. And it looks like this. Letters and Sounds Test Key. Reading Answer Key. This is the book that goes along with the readers. This is what the student will be reading, and this is the comprehension book that the teacher can go ahead and use. So basically, there's the title of the story, the page numbers, and the comprehension questions for that story. So this is what I'm most excited about, is showing you guys the flashcards. So these are the arithmetic concept cards, and that's what's included. I'm just going to show you a few. Let's see like this. Here we go. Numbers, shapes, money, there we go. And basic phonics charts. They look like this. Here's some of them. Little cute guy. I like these little cards. And in the back, number flashcards 0 through 200. So basically, you take these, let me see, is this upside down? Yep. So basically, you just would cut them up and you use them as number flashcards. Arithmetic tables and facts charts. So they look like this. So front and the back. Place value concept cards, and basically, let's see, which way? Here. Basically, same thing, you would cut them up and use them as flashcards, and that's just few of them, and they all look the same. So combination dot cards, and they look like this, and that's the front and that's the back, and again front and back. Arithmetic charts and games. These look really interesting. So liquid measures. They also have a little calendar, and these are little characters you would use for the board games, which this is one of the board games. I don't know if I'm putting them probably not the right way. So board game, oh, upside down, I'm sorry. And then this right here and here. Now they do carry flashcards that you can go ahead and purchase additionally, but they just don't come in the Parent Essentials Kit. So, but I did want to share those with you because I do have them, and I thought maybe you guys would like to see that. So these would be the basic phonics flashcards, and I really love these. These are really cute. So these would be the special sounds that they would learn in the ABEKA, and then these are some of the words that you would use it at. So they're really nice. I like these. And there goes some of the so I really like these. Blend B practice cards, and they look like this. They're a lot smaller size. Oh, upside down. So they look like this. So in the front, they have the long, short. So, nope, not upside down. Short and the long. So that's that. So these would be the Blend B practice cards, and they would be with the one vowel long and short blends. So long and short, so that's that. 2 vowel word cards, and I'll give you a peek at these. In the back, they're in cursive. So that's 1 vowel word cards, and they look like this. Same thing, cursive in the back. So up next is the curriculum lesson plans. I'm gonna briefly show you what they look like inside. History, science, health, and I'll show you what a lesson looks like. For instance, lesson 61, you would have the preparation, the things you need on the board, the material, the visuals, and then the lesson directions. And then basically in bold is what you need to explain to your child or your student, the pages you need, and basically that's what that looks like. Arithmetic is basically exactly the same as the science and history. So for instance, lesson 42, you have the objectives, what you need to write on the board, materials, visuals, manipulatives. Then you have the review and the, let's see, then your new lesson, what you need to introduce, and basically same thing. Then in the back, you would go ahead and have, you know, your review. Language arts curriculum. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at lesson 24, which is phonics language. And again, same, I'm not gonna go over it. Just like the science, history, and math. And then in the back, after the new lesson and the review, woo! This one big book. You have the morning reading time, the evening reading, which are the readers, and then you have spelling and poetry, handwriting, and then you would have the seat work that your student will need. In the back of the book, you have basically all the seat work, assignments, all laid out for you, which is really nice. So you basically would go to the lesson and you would know everything that you need to assign for the student to do independently. You also have little songs in the back of the book. And then you have these blends for phonics review. They give you some samples of how to grade your child's writing and handwriting. So they have some suggestions so you can have an idea of what it is and how you should grade their work. And the last thing is the progress report, which is also right at the end of the book, and you would just do that. So that's everything that comes in ABEKA's Parent Essentials Kit. Hopefully this was helpful for you to decide whether or not you need everything that comes in the kit. Also, I will be posting another video on how I plan for our homeschool year, and if you'd like to see that, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!